We talked about cleanup spill oil methods in the last video. Now let us start with the cleaning methods in Mauritius. As the video shows, they used plastic bottles, sugarcane leaves, and recycled construction materials to construct DIY oil booms, floating barriers that can help collect and contain spilled fuel. Volunteers in boats lowered the boom near the floating oil to prevent further spread of the oil. To remove the oil that had drifted ashore, volunteers had to shovel it into waste buckets. But in mangrove forests, people can only scoop out oil with their hands. We could clearly see huge cracks in the hull, and the hull of the whole ship almost split in half. Wooden barrels filled with straw floated on the beach. Helicopters busily carried the oil tanks. Oil spill removal efforts are gradually transitioning to the removal of oil that has drifted ashore. They are digging up the mixture with shovels to make it easier to use garbage bags for shipping. Looking at this, I believe you have really felt the Mauritius incident cleanup difficulty. In fact, the most important thing after the spill is to prevent the oil from spreading to the surrounding area, and the bigger the area, the harder the cleanup. At this time, we need to transfer the oil spill and floating objects tool, oil boom. Solid float PVC boom is a common economical boom, provided by NanjingDeers, which particularly fits for the oil spilling emergency and other floating containment in quiet offshore waters. It is composed of the floating body, skirt body, tension belt, counterweight and joint, and its working principle is also very simple. The floating body uses air or buoyancy material to provide buoyancy for the oil boom, while the floating body with skirt side under the water encloses oil and dirt on the surface, and the counterweight makes the boom sag. Due to oil boom quick deployment and convenient operation, so it is widely used for long-term deployment on waters such as open seas, bays, harbors, rivers, oil platform, oil refining plants, oil piers, oil storage, sea bathing area, etc., and also for emergent use in oil spilling accidents. NanjingDeers consist to provide quality at reasonable prices principle, strict quality control, and perfect after-sales service by proactive cooperation will make our customers endorse our products. Please contact us anytime if you have the need.